My friends, are you ready for a trip to Greece? Luckily, your next stop is Athens, one of the world's most historic cities. It was named after Athena, the goddess of wisdom, and you would be wise to get here ASAP. The food is fresh and flavorful, the streets are vibrant, and the historical sites are legendary. But as much as I enjoyed exploring the Acropolis, my favorite activity was just sitting at an outdoor cafe, soaking up the sun, watching the Athenians stroll by while grabbing a bite. The food in this part of the world is up there with my absolute faves. Mediterranean food tends to emphasize fresh, healthy ingredients. Better still, it's often vegan. And Greek food has been around for thousands of years, plenty of time to perfect the recipes. Here were some of the most delicious things I saw, smelled, and ate in Athens. For vegan food, Chickpea's Vegan Cafe, located near the Acropolis, is all vegan. My favorite was their vegan souvlaki. Souvlaki, a popular street food consisting of meat and vegetables grilled and served on a skewer, is reimagined with seitan and mushrooms. For some seafood, go to Zesis, fish in a cone. Essentially, they are turning seafood into street food. Zesis sells squid, anchovies, and fried sardines in paper cones for easy on-the-go eating. Then, one of my favorite restaurant stories comes from Tastes of Damascus. It was founded in February 2020, just before the pandemic, but still going strong, by an NGO that supports Syrian refugees and asylum seekers. And the restaurant is committed to both the planet and the community. It's meat-free, sustainably sourced, and leftovers are donated to those in need. I like to say that vegetarian-vegan eating is always for a good cause, the earth, but that's especially true at Tastes of Damascus. In a city as beautiful, sunny, and vibrant as Athens, it would be almost criminal not to grab at least one outdoor meal. And if you only grab one, make it a meal at Oroskopo, on the east side of the city. Indoor dining is available, but I highly recommend eating the simple, ingredient-focused Greek dishes in the beautiful wooded courtyard. And finally, at night, this lively city offers a ton of activities for the party-going traveler. My favorite place is Gazi, a hip nightlife district named for the gasworks that used to dominate the neighborhood. Said gasworks was recently converted into Technopolis, a museum featuring contemporary art and live music. The fun doesn't stop there, though. The streets are covered in colorful murals and lined with hip tavernas. It's also a popular spot for festivals. I can't wait to go again. If you want to see more activities to do in Athens, go visit cookingwithjade.com. Until next time.